Nature's selfish freeloaders. Ticks are arguably the most iconic parasites in the world. Familiar to any household pet owner, these depend on their ability to suck the blood of others. After gorging herself on blood, this African blue tick has mated and fallen from her host into the grass below, for her life is practically over. Her last task before shriveling away is laying around 2,000 eggs. Instinct drives the nymphs up into the long grass. Here they'll wait for passing mammals. Most will fail to find a passing animal within a few months and die. If the animal approaches close enough, the youngsters swarm aboard, like pirates raiding a passing treasure galleon.
Like, share, and subscribe.